Hey everyone, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. So before we get into this vlog, I want to do a quick little unboxing of some new jewellery pieces that I got. So they are from the brand Italo Jewelry. How gorgeous is this packaging, by the way? It's so cute and it's just really like luxurious with the little bow and the gold font. Italo Jewelry are working with me on this video, so thank you so much to them. Italo Jewelry is high quality and luxury. They also have free worldwide delivery, which is amazing because a lot of the time if you're living in Europe it can cost a lot to order from like overseas, so it's great if you are from Ireland. I know I have a lot of people following me from Ireland. They also do a 1-year warranty and 60-day free return, which is really good as well, because if you picked up the wrong size or you want to switch out your item, you can return it. Okay, so let's just get into the unboxing because I'm really excited to show you these pieces. So it just has a couple of little boxes inside. So you do get a few little things here. You get some information about the company. You also get a little jewellery bag, which I think is really good. If you're travelling, you can pop it in here. You get a silver polishing cloth just to sparkle up your jewellery. And then you get a sterling silver certificate for your pieces. And then just some information about how you can care for them and look after them, and if you should remove them before like having a shower or anything like that. So I think that's a nice little touch to the packaging. So inside I have two pieces to show you today. So I'm going to start with this one here. So this one here is a gorgeous necklace, and I did pick out all of these items myself from their website. This one is just very dainty. It has the little diamante, almost like pointed shape at the bottom. I just think it's so classic, and you can get this necklace in a couple different lengths. I did go for the shortest length, which will just sit at the top of my neck. I'm going to pop it on and show you what it looks like now. So this is what it looks like on. It's super dainty and cute, and as I said, it sits just below my neck. You can get the longer version. They do a couple different lengths, so depending on whatever one you want, you can customize it to your liking. So moving on to the next piece that I picked up. As you can see from the box, this is a smaller piece, so it's a ring. So this is what the ring looks like. It is one of their most popular pieces on the website. Now I did go for the size 5, which fits my ring finger, so I'm just going to take off the little label here, you can see. Now they do also have a size guide on their website for rings, which makes it super easy to figure out what size you are. So I just compared mine to another brand of ring that I had and was able to figure it out. So this is what the ring looks like on. It's super cute, and I just think the quality is amazing. You can see how it sparkles and it just stands out. Now I do have a discount code for any of you that want to purchase some items. It is 20 Jade for 20% off their full website. So you can pick up the pieces that I showed you today and get a nice little discount on it. And as I said, there is free returns, free delivery. There's also another piece that I loved on their website, and I think I am going to get it. It's a gold ring with an emerald kind of diamond. I've always wanted one of those type of rings. So today I'm off to TK Maxx. This is my first fall and autumn outfit of this year, and I just love the whole vibe of this outfit. Like, can we just appreciate it for a second? Like, blazer is from Zara, my sweater vest is from H&M, my pants are from Zara, just these ones are the buttons, and then my shoes are from Zara. So just a really kind of like relaxed but almost like businesswoman chill kind of outfit. I just love how it looks, and this outfit, let's be real, will go so nice with a Birkin bag. Like, I wish that I had, like, I kind of prefer the Kelly to the Birkin, but I will have both one day. We're going to TK Maxx today to see if there's any Ralph Lauren. I've seen it all over TikTok of the, you know, those sweaters with the American flag. I'm not going to get my hopes up though, because this is Ireland and I know the videos were from the UK, so I'm not sure if they will have them here. It will be nice just to have like a little spooky vlog and have a look at the decorations. Even my nails look like kind of Halloweeny today, like autumn and fall. This is the Chanel Pirate nail polish. It's so nice to have my new bed behind me and not like the grey one, because it was just ruining the vibe of my outfit pictures. So we just went and got our last bubble tea of the summer. Maybe we might be back. We got different ones this time. Do you want to say what they are, Lou?
Nope.
Why? You're tired? What's wrong?
It's your turn.
Okay. I was trying to involve you in the vlog. He's a bit shy today, everyone. There's no Luke cam. Okay, so I got passion green tea. Normally we get oolong tea. Luke got passion green tea, but he got konjac jelly, and I got cherry pop and boba. It's actually really nice. So today we are having a picnic and just have a nice little walk on the river. Just, I don't know, to get in some exercise and have a nice little day before the summer's over. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Gonna get some nice little snacks, and maybe I'll show you what we got for the picnic. And I don't know if we're gonna have it outside because the sun is going in and going out all the time. I did my makeup today because I'm having a bad skin day today. And with this tan, I find it's hard to get off, like to scrub off. Does anyone else have the Vita Liberata tan? And also it doesn't match my foundation. So I'm having to mix two shades from Giorgio Armani. So either I'm going to switch to Saint Tropez tan and see if that matches the shade 6 in Giorgio Armani, or stick with this tan and go down a shade in Giorgio Armani. It is kind of giving me small little breakouts and it's very hard to scrub off. Like you can see, look how bad that looks. Oh my god. Like you can see I tried to scrub it off in the shower and I was just hurting my skin. So I think it's been on since last Friday, since before we went away for Luke's birthday. Like even there. Maybe I'll get the Saint Tropez one if anyone has any recommendations of which tan. I've tried Bondi Sands, Iconic Bronze. I want one that's not too dark, so maybe I'll get shade medium in Saint Tropez and then still go back on a shade in Giorgio Armani. I don't know. I'm still in the midst of figuring out this whole tan situation. But for now, I mean, it looks fine. Like, I look okay on camera. But when I was getting ready, I was kind of annoyed because my skin just isn't the best today. But look how nice the bed looks behind me. Like, it's just so nice. Oh, and I got new flowers. I'm going to show you. They arrived yesterday from Amazon. Let me just quickly show you right now. My outfit is from Zara as well, by the way. It's just a cord set. Okay, so these are the flowers. They're the exact same as the ones that I had, except I got them in a kind of creamy white, and I feel like it matches much better with my whole room and the vibe of the room. So for the picnic, we picked up some of this garlic and herb cheese and some of these tuck crackers to go with the cheese, halloumi fries, and they were really, really good. Some macaroons, because you can't have a picnic without macaroons. And then some of these vanilla wafer rolls. These are so good. I believe they're Polish. Then we got some kombucha because I am not having any more alcohol. We got some milk chocolate chip cookies for the weekend, not for the picnic. Same with these pizzas. These were for the weekend for like a movie night because the weather is meant to be bad. So we picked up some snacks for that. Then we got the pepperoni to go with the crackers. And this is just some cereal that Luke got for himself, not for the picnic. And then lastly, these slush puppies are so good. Like, we're obsessed with them. These will probably be the last ones that I get for this summer. And this is how the finished little snack kind of thing look like. I put it on a heart-shaped chopping board that I got from the range. And yeah, it was really, really good. We had the garlic and cheese pizza and the halloumi fries with all of these snacks. And it was a nice little way to end off the summer. So we just got back from the food festival. I didn't really get to vlog because it was so chaotic with a load of people. But we have a little haul to show you. Luke is getting everything out. Okay, so we did get, well, they got burgers and stuff, and we got nice ice cream, which you'll see on my story if you follow me on Instagram. But these are the snacks that we got today. So first up, Luke got this kombucha. Where's your coconuts? In the car?
In the car.
Oh. He got this lemonade kombucha. This is his favourite one. They do cola. You can go and get him. Okay, so back to the haul when Luke is gone to get his coconuts to show you. I picked up this Warheads because it was like an American store. Sour lemon soda, which I'm really excited to try because I'm so thirsty after all the walking that we did. There was so many different stalls of like meringues and cupcakes and cookies and tacos and all that. Then Luke got these probiotics. We got this. This is one of my favourite chocolate bars. It's like a luxury one. It's like so good. It could be Italian or French, I'm not sure. I picked up these 2 essential oils because I love to just put these in my bin, like a drop in my bin, and the whole room fills with the smell, because I don't have like an air diffuser, and I don't like using them anyway because it could like go on my bag. So I like to just put it in the bin and it still gives the same effect. Then we got 2 of these Laffy Taffies, which I already had one. These are so good. And then this is Luke's favourite drink, coconut mango. And then he got a cookie. We did get cookie bars as well, which we already ate. Here he is with his 2 coconuts.
I think this one's illegal, look. Don't need like cardboard straws, look. They start disintegrating, but...
You're looking really dark.
Look at it.
10 out of 10?
Yeah. I think if you eat coconut, you can crack it open on that line.
Yeah, you can drink it and you can eat this one. Cookie co-op. What's this, Oreo?
Yeah, they were sold out of a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, it's like a soft kind of cookie. Tell me what you're doing.
Recording the coconut.
No, what's the coconut doing?
Instead of using the bandy straw, just putting it upside down.